So I painted this cup black, and then I went over it with a mixture that I made that was just kind of a mess of different blacks and gold glitters, and just mix it all together and put it on this cup. So now I'm going to do a couple of layers of epoxy over it, and then I'm going to make it a bumblebee cup. So I'm going to do some beehives and just some little decals, I think gold decals of bumblebees all over it. So I'm going to get going on that. So I'm going to put a thick layer of epoxy on this glitter. This is some thick, chunky glitter. Last time I epoxied, I did not have enough to finish this cup, so only parts of it have some epoxy on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that fully epoxied, and then I will sand it down and get it ready for the stickers. Okay, so I changed my mind on this cup and I totally forgot to record it. But for the sake of finishing this video, here is the final product. I ended up doing a cheetah print, and I did like a peekaboo with it, and I used this is not black spray paint actually, this is like a walnut, I think is what it said. So it's kind of a dark, dark brown. So here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.